Deputy, you have a habit of always looking for the knee-jerk reaction to everything. Okay, and when you did it before, and thankfully we didn't take your advice before, because it would have been fairly disastrous if we had.
Taoiseach, we are already witnessing a surge in fuel prices in reaction to the US-Israeli onslaught in the Middle East. People across the country are reporting massive hikes in the cost of home heating oil, prices having increased by as much as 35% in the last number of days. The cost of home heating oil was already high, so people really can't believe what they're seeing here. This morning I was contacted by a 94-year-old woman from Wexford who relies on home heating oil to keep her house warm. And only last week the price for a half fill of oil from her provider was €464. But by midday today, that had jumped to €879. That's almost double in just days. This extortionate hike puts this elderly woman under huge pressure, but her options are either pay up or go cold. And this woman isn't alone, Taoiseach. Yesterday on the radio, people spoke out about the price of home heating oil shooting up sharply in real time. Heating oil providers have jacked up their prices by hundreds of euros, and this is blatant price gouging and greed. It's a brazen rip-off happening in plain sight. You need to pick up the phone and tell the top brass in these companies to stop fleecing people. You need to drop your plan to increase carbon tax in the coming weeks, increases that will drive up costs of home heating oil even further. Surely you can now accept it is your job to step in and act with purpose to protect households from these hikes and stop this price gouging.
Prices in the forecourts shouldn't manifest. There should be no increase. They can be influenced, but typically it should be 3 to 4 weeks after a particular event for prices to impact on the forecourts. Now, we've already, and Minister Ryan already has asked the CRU to investigate particularly the pass-through from wholesale prices to retail prices, because we had elements of this in the context of the Russian invasion of Ukraine, and what happened there. Although there was a longer lead-in, actually, during that crisis, price increases came a bit later in the cycle. And he has asked them to carry out an independent review of that, but in particular the pass-through from wholesale to retail prices. But also the Minister for Enterprise has written to the Competition and Consumer Authority. Now, we met them on Monday, and we had spoken to them about this particular issue. In terms of any further measures, we will keep that under review. I think it's important. The government's focus has been on targeting and using our resources to those most in need and those who need our supports.